This is a Volkswagen Mark 6 remote. Same key with the Touran, same key with Tiguan, and also same key with the Polo of the same year. So this is pretty simple. I think VW has made it much easier with a new type of keys. So what you do, you don't need to separate this one because it has a pin here. It has a small pin here. So what you do, there's a small cover that covers the battery. So what you do, you just do it like this, just like that. Then you'll be able to see the battery there. Then what you do, you look for a small screwdriver or a small tweezers, and then you just remove it like that, and then you just replace the battery. The battery you are supposed to use is CR2032, same as the older models as well. That's how you put it. It has to face up, unlike the other one. Then you put back the cover, and then that's it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.